Welcome back, everyone. Today is the day. Here's the two lamps I made. I'm going to hook those up to the wires and attach these to the wall inside the house. I'm going to have to use a little bracket like this one here, which will basically, this back piece right here, that there will mount to the box in the wall. And then I'll adjust this here to where it's level like that. So the two screws right here will go into there and I can tighten this to the wall. I'm not going to use wire nuts to hook the wires together from the lamp to the house wiring, but I'm going to use these little, by Ideal, but they're push-in wire connectors, where you just strip the wire and you can just push it into here. So any of the wires that are in the wall, I'll push into here. Then I'll take whatever corresponding wire from the lamp and push into there. It's a good solid connection and it stays there. Where when you start twisting a bunch of wires in a wire nut, sometimes those come undone. At least for me they do. So let's get inside and let's get these hooked up. Okay, let's pop this cover off here. Okay. Take those off. Okay, these are some kind of weird electrician screw. Got it. It's got like a weird, I don't know if this here will help it focus or not. But it's got like a square head in there and then like for a flat head. Okay, we'll pull these wires down here. There. Right there. Try to show you one of these up close. But you just push the wires into here and it grabs on where they can't pull back out. A lot easier than wire nutting or anything like that. And that looks pretty good there. We'll bring the ground wire down here too. Since that's going into plastic, it's always better to cinch it down with a regular screwdriver. good. Remove a little bit of the drywall there. Now you just take this center piece right here. Just tighten it up. Make sure these 2 points right here are level. Okay, and for the ground, we're just going to hook the ground to the bracket, because when the light touches the bracket, it'll be grounded, so there is no ground wire on the actual light. Okay, let's go ahead and pull these little acorn nuts off here. Okay, now I'm going to put the lamp up here. Just make sure you get the right wire into the correct connection. There we go. And just kind of tuck those back in there. Okay, this stud on the right just a little bit back in, so you can bend that out. Doesn't hurt nothing, just bend it out so it does come out a little bit more proud. Get it. Get that started on there. And just kind of bend it over a little bit till you get the other stud out. Put it on there. And you just take a deep well socket and hand tighten it down. And one lamp installed. There they are on the wall. I got that vintage looking light bulbs in there, or steampunk, whatever people want to call them. Everything. They don't give off very much light, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. I think my wife will like it. We do want to get a picture to put in between here, but we got to decide what kind of picture we want to put there. It's got to be something that'll go with the lights. Okay, well, hey everybody, thanks for watching. I'll have more videos here later, and be sure to click the subscribe button. Ring the bell if you want to get notifications. And thanks a lot for watching. See ya!